What's up, Spyder owners? Brandon here with SlingMods.com, and today we have our Black Widow plastic key cover solution, the Can-Am Spyder. One of the first things you'll notice when you get your Can-Am Spyder is that the ignition key doesn't have a hole for a key ring. Now, we find this a bit odd since these Spyder keys are not cheap to replace, because inside of each key is a transponder chip that communicates directly with your bike. So to address this issue, we've partnered up with a team over at TAC Designs to bring you guys our Black Widow inspired key cover with key ring for all Can-Am Spyder models and years. This key cover features an etched Spyder insignia on both sides of the key and is made from injection molded plastic so that the key cover doesn't cause interference with the chip inside the key. The key cover has also been designed so that it doesn't interfere when using your key in the ignition to either pop the frunk or release the seat latch. Now to install the key cover, simply place the plastic clamshell design around the key. You'll notice before screwing in the provided Allen screws that it seems as though the key cover has some wobble to it. This was also done intentionally so that when you screw the key cover together, it compresses the rubber membrane around the key for a nice tight fit. Once tightened down, your key cover should fit perfectly and look like this. Then finally, you can add the included key ring and you're good to go. So if adding a key cover with key ring to your expensive Spyder key is on your mod list, then be sure to head on over to SlingMods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a pair of Spyder key covers for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Spyder. I'm Brandon signing out. Until next time.